Okay, students, so your third fundamental right is right against exploitation. What is exploitation? Exploitation basically means to treat someone unfairly in order to benefit from their work. That means किसी को unfairly treat करना और इस तरीके से treat करना कि आप उनके काम से कुछ फ़ायदा निकाल सको. Okay? So let us understand the two major ideas in this. Okay, so two major protection which the government which the constitution is giving you under right under exploitation is prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labor. Your second is prohibition of employment of children in hazardous jobs. So now let us understand what is right against exploitation. So from the name it is clear enough to understand right against exploitation. ये राइट आपको किस में सेव कर रही है? अगर आप एक्सप्लॉइट होते हैं, कोई आपको अनफेयरली ट्रीट करता है, सो तब ये राइट आपको प्रोटेक्ट करेगी. ओके, एग्जाम्पल in the introduction only we read about the ancient games wherein the laborer were not getting minimum standard of wages set by the government, so they were exploited. That means government ने एक minimum wage set की है लेबर्स के लिए, अगर उन्हें वो भी नहीं मिलेगी so they are exploited. आप उनको unfairly treat कर रहे हो, उनके काम से खुद से benefit करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो. Okay? Let us read about it. In our country, there are millions of people who are underprivileged and deprived. They may be subjected to exploitation by their fellow human beings. One such form of exploitation in our country has been beggar of forced labor without payment. Another closely related forms of exploitation is buying and selling of human beings and using them as slaves. Both of these are prohibited under the Constitution. Forced labor was imposed by landlords, moneylenders, and other wealthy persons in the past. Some form of bounded labor still continue in the country, especially in the bricklin work. It has now been declared a crime and it is punishable. Okay, now what are they saying? Especially if we look in our country, so there are millions of people who are underprivileged. That means they are not privileged like us. They don't go to school or they don't have a basic living standard or a decent job. So उनके पास basic amenities नहीं है. They are underprivileged and they are deprived of so many things. Deprived of, you can say, luxuries, basic things, housing, food, water, clothing, so many things. So when they are underprivileged and when they are deprived, so they are subjected to exploitation. Okay, so अगर आप unprivileged हैं, deprived हैं, अगर आपके पास job नहीं है तो आप क्या करोगे? You will say कि मुझे बस काम मिल जाए. This is just an example. Okay, or you will start begging. आप either you will go for begging, you will sit at some railway station or somewhere or some kind of places or at a red light area, you will start begging. Or you will start doing such kind of work. You may go to someone and say please मुझे काम दे दो, मुझे काम चाहिए. And for example, according to government, उस काम के लिए आपको दिन के अगर 20 रुपीज़ भी मिलने चाहिए, you might agree to do work on 10 rupees because you are so deprived. You don't have knowledge, you don't have food, you don't have clothing, nothing. Okay, so आप इतने deprived हैं that when you are under deprived, you are actually there are so many chances that आप दूसरों के थ्रू एक्सप्लॉइट हो सकते हैं, आपके साथ अनफेयर ट्रीट किया जा सकता है. Also, in a country like us, this exploitation, it generally take place as either beggar, okay, or forced labor. That means a person do not want to go as a laborer, बट ए को फोर्स करके लेबर बनाया जा रहा है. नहीं, आपको ये काम करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी सी सो मैनी चिल्ड्रन आर बीन किडनैप डेली. आर न्यूज़ पेपर्स इज फिल्ड विद पिकिंग अप students, children, and we don't know where are they. They are actually kidnapped. So then what are those children made to do? They are made to do forced labor only. Okay, they are being threatened about their parents, and then they are put into forced labor. Sometimes these children are being sold to another person, and then if you are being sold, you become a slave to that person, and that person can make you do any amount of task or any kind of work. So all these things are part of exploitation, selling of humans. Yes, buying and selling of human beings and using them as slaves. How can you use a human as slaves when we live in a country like India, where everyone is free, everyone has a fundamental rights? So this is illegal. Both of these are prohibited under the constitution, and forced labor was imposed. Okay, another important thing, that forced labor, आप किसी को force कर रहे हो labor के लिए and उनको उतना पैसा भी नहीं दे रहे हो for that work. Okay, it was done earlier, before we were not independence. When we did not gain independence, that this was done, activities such like forced labor was done by landlords, okay, money lenders and wealthy persons. But now it is considered illegal and no one can do such things. Even in the brick kiln work, बेसिकली जहाँ पर ब्रिक्स बनाई जाती है वहाँ पे भी बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सप्लॉयटेशन होता है एंड फोर्स लेबर होता है इवन टुडे. Okay, and even today there though child labor says that you cannot ask a child to do work at your place. Okay, आप किसी भी तरीके से child को नहीं involve कर सकते below the age of or the age of 14. इसके बिलो आप चाइल्ड को नहीं रख सकते हैं काम करने के लिए. बट वी स्टिल सी एट मैनी पार्ट्स चाइल्ड लेबर हैपनिंग, or child selling vegetables in the market, or begging, or doing any kinds of thing. Even this is illegal. You cannot practice this, but it is still happening in some of the other parts of the country. But as a aware citizen, we need to know that we do have a right against exploitation. And where is it generally done? It is generally done in the form of forced labor. Okay, children are made to do certain kinds of activities, that is children below the age of 14 years. And also buying and selling of human beings. You must have heard the term child trafficking. You can even Google it. Okay, when the children are sold to another people and then they are exploited, they are made to do certain kinds of work जो उनकी एज भी उन्हें अलाउ नहीं करती है. So all these kinds of activities come under, they are illegal and they can be protected through the fundamental rights of right against exploitation. Now if you will look at this picture, name the fundamental right whose violation is being depicted in this picture. So this small child is trying to do something from wheat or trying to clean something from the spices. So this is what? A child labor. Children in the cracker factories are mostly child labors only. So all those things are actually illegal in the country, and their rights are being exploited. The Constitution also forbids employment of children below the age of 14 years in dangerous jobs like factories and mines. With child labor being made illegal, the right to education becomes fundamental right for children. This right against exploitation has become more meaningful. This is just the example which I was giving you previously. So they are saying that no child is allowed to do work or made to do work forcefully in any kind of dangerous jobs. So in factories, okay, in mining, any kind of these works, or you cannot employ children, you cannot have labors in the form of children. Also they are saying when right against exploitation is there, especially for children, so उनके लिए एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट फंडामेंटल राइट फिर क्या हो जाता है, सिंस दे आर चिल्ड्रन सो दे नीड टू गेट एजुकेशन फर्स्ट. सो राइट टू एजुकेशन बिकम्स फंडामेंटल राइट फॉर चिल्ड्रन. ओके, एंड दिस राइट्स अगेंस्ट, और जब हम फंडामेंटल राइट देते हैं बच्चों को रिगार्डिंग एजुकेशन, सो राइट अगेंस्ट एक्सप्लॉयटेशन इवन मोर मीनिंगफुल हो जाता है. ओके, फर्स्टली वी आर हेल्पिंग चिल्ड्रन so that they do not get exploited. Also if they do not get exploited, अब for example हमने the government got to know that देयर आर चिल्ड्रन वर्किंग इन क्रैकर फैक्ट्रीज, सो नाउ अब उन्होंने उनको वहाँ से रेस्क्यू कर लिया. सो अब वो 14 ईयर्स के तो नीचे एज के हैं, तो हाउ विल दे फीड देमसेल्व्स. So what will government do? Government will actually send them to an NGO or somewhere where they can at least get their formal education first. So when we are saying that right to education becomes fundamental right for children, so we are even giving even more attaching meaning to this right against exploitation. Okay, your fourth right is right to freedom of religion. So this is your fourth fundamental right.